So today I'm going to show you how to make 3 simple Christmas cards. So for the first card, start with a blank card and then cut out a rectangle of green paper. You want to cut the edges with decorative shears so it's a little smaller than the card. Then put some glue on the back of it and glue it to the front of the card. Then get some evergreen paper or something similar and cut a rectangle with straight sides just a little bit smaller than the green below it. And then cut a piece of white cardstock a little bit smaller than that. Then out of the piece of white cardstock you want to cut the silhouette of a Christmas tree. And then put 4 foam stickers, one in each corner of the card, in a little bit from the edge so you don't see them. And then just stick the cardstock cutout with the tree right onto those. You might need an extra sticker or two near the trunk where it's open. That just gives it a little bit of dimension. So then cut a ribbon shape out of the evergreen paper and then a smaller one out of white cardstock and glue that over the top of the other. And then glue on a red plastic gem. And then write Merry Christmas or Season's Greetings or whatever you want greeting to be. And then just put a couple of foam stickers on the back of that. And then just stick it to the front of the card. So there's card number 1. For the second card, just get yourself a blank card. And then get some brick paper. You want to cut the shape of a fireplace out of it, really simple fireplace. Glue on a piece of black paper onto the center of the card, and then glue the fireplace over that. Cut some flames out of some orange paper, and glue those at the bottom of the fireplace. Then cut 3 boot shapes out of red paper, put a little bit of glue at the top, and glue on a small piece of white felt along the tops of each of them to be stockings. And then put a foam sticker on the back of each one of the stockings. And then just stick those on the fireplace at an angle so they look like they're hanging off the top of the fireplace. So there's card number 2. So for card number 3, get your blank card, then cut a rectangle from some ice blue paper with decorative shears and glue that to the front. Then cut 3 circles and a little black hat and glue the hat onto the smallest circle. And then cut a triangle out of some orange paper and glue that on to be the snowman's nose. Then use a permanent marker to draw on the eyes, the mouth, and the little buttons. And then just put a foam sticker on the back of each piece of the snowman and stick each piece of the snowman on the front of the card. So then I took some sparkly stick-on gems and just peeled the paper off the back and I stuck them at different places on the card. These are going to be the center of my snowflakes. So then take some metallic silver puffy paint and draw some spokes out of each sparkly gem and then put some cross pieces on them to make snowflakes. You'll do that to each one of the sparkly gems so that when you move the card, the light catches the gems and they sparkle like snowflakes. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave me a comment below and let me know which of the 3 cards was your favorite.